Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 black screen error. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. We start with the basic operations. First you need to check your connection. Ensure your monitor is turned on and connected properly. Check the video cable connection and try using a different cable or port. And make sure your monitor and power are receiving power. Check the power supply. So that is the basic method number 1. And the second one is you need to restart graphic drivers. To do that, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Windows plus B. Again I am going to tell Ctrl Shift Windows key plus B in the keyboard. Those 4 key combination will restart the graphic driver. You should be here beep and see the screen flicker when it is restarting. That is method number 2. And if you can do anything in your screen, you can restart your Windows Explorer. To do that, you need to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Then it will be open this kind of menu. Tap on Task Manager. Then it will be open the Task Manager. And you will be find Windows Explorer in the background processes. Just scroll down a little bit. Go. Yes, it is right here. What you need to do is select this one and tap on restart. Then it will be restart the every Windows Explorer operations in this window. So that will be able to fix your black screen issue. So that also not working, you need to boot with safe mode. To do that, you need to press Windows key plus R. Then it will be open the run menu. Now you need to type msconfig and hit enter. In this menu, you need to go to boot section and choose the safe boot option and tap on OK. Then after you need to restart your computer, then it will be open in the safe mode. In the safe mode, you can troubleshoot further, like you can update your drivers or uninstall the recent installed softwares there. So these have several videos I think, but I don't have that video. You need to search the safe mode operation using other video. So this is the initial method you need to follow to go to the safe mode. So that is method number 4. And the method number 5 is update your graphic drivers. First you need to go to the safe mode using the previous I told method. Then after in the safe mode, that also little bit same to this kind of window. Then after you need to press Windows plus X. Then choose the device manager in this list. And in the device manager section, you can find display adapters here. Double tap on it. This is the driver installed on my computer. What you need to do is right click on it and choose the update driver. And there are 2 options. You can choose any option here. I like to choose the first one. This will check the internet for the latest drivers, but this is little bit old driver, so I don't have any latest update. So you can choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and again choose the second this option and choose the driver in this list. In my case it is this one, and tap on next. Then it will be reinstall the same driver in your computer. This will fix the driver installing issues, completely fix your installing issues. So this is method number 5. And method number 6 is perform a system restore. Again you need to boot into the safe mode, the method I told you earlier. Then after you need to press Windows plus R and type RSTRUI RSTRUI and tap on OK. Now you will be see system restore menu. You can follow the on-screen methods to restore the computer into previous version. You can see I have two options to restore the computer, and choose the restore you need to go with, and tap on next and follow the on-screen methods. So this will be able to restore your computer into earlier dates, so that will be fix your issue. And the method number 7 is check the Windows update. You need to go to start menu and tap on setting. Go to the last one in the left side menu, and in your case you will be find the button called check for updates here. You need to tap on it, then it will be find the latest update on your Windows version and install those updates. Then after you need to restart your computer, then check if the problem will be fixed or not. And if it is still available, you need to go with step number 8. So you need to disable the fast startup. To do that, go to search bar, search for control panel. This is the application, just tap on it, and you need to make sure view by change to large icons. Then after choose the power options here. In the left side menu, choose the first one, choose what the power buttons do, and you can see these are already checked, but I can't change that because I am not in the administrative account. You need to be in the administrative account to change this one. When you come with administrative account, you will be find these are tickable, so you need to untick this one. So then it will be turn off the fast startup, and tap on save changes, and you can restart your computer. And the method number 9 is use command prompt for advanced fixes. If the previous all methods are not working, you can go with these advanced fixes. First you need to boot in the safe mode as I previously told. Then after you need to go to search bar and search for command prompt. Right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes on the pop-up menu, and you need to type this command exactly when I typing. You need to type boot rec space / fix mbr. This is first command. Then you need to hit enter. It will be take small time. After process is completed, you need to go with second one. You need to again type boot rec space / fix boot. Again you need to hit enter and wait for the process is completed. Then again you need to type boot rec space / scan os. Again you need to hit enter and wait for process completed. And last one is boot rec space / rebuild build bcd and hit enter. This is the last command. Then this will be fix the boot, mbr and os issues in your computer. And then after you need to restart computer and check the issues are fixed or not. And these are the 9 methods you can check the problem to fix your issue. And if all of these methods are not working, you have to check for hardware issues. That will be the issue for the problem in your hardware. So ensure your graphic card is properly seated on its slot, and check is there any loose connection or something there. And other than that, you have to replace your graphic driver with other computer and check whether the problems are still occurring, and that means the graphic card has some kind of issue, so you need to replace that with a new one. So these are the 10 methods I have to show you to fix your issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe my channel and liking this video.